Morning to you, everyone. I'm Eric Connor. Thanks for watching.
And I'm Stella Escobedo. Several San Diego businesses have joined together to file a class action lawsuit against the state and local officials.
They are asking that a judge allow them to reopen under purple tier guidelines. News 8's Evan Narani joining us now with more on what this lawsuit entails. Evan?
Good morning, Eric and Stella. Yeah, this is 2 restaurants and 2 gyms that have joined together to file this class action lawsuit. They're asking to be able to reopen under purple tier guidelines, and they filed that and have been in court today. They will resume tomorrow, but we want to show you what some of those businesses are. So businesses, the 4 of them are included in Cowboy Star Restaurant, Home and Away Restaurant, Fit Athletic, and Bear Republic. Those are both gyms. Attorneys representing these businesses say that they will suffer substantial harm unless a court declares Governor Newsom's plan as unlawful. They're also suing the county of San Diego, calling its enforcement of the state's regulations, quote, a deprivation of rights. One of the key points to their lawsuit is that some businesses simply do not have the option to move outdoors, so they will be left to then close their doors entirely. Today in a court, a judge allowed a motion of continuance that will essentially put this on pause for now, but it will be picked up at a later date. The plaintiffs are expected to be back in court tomorrow. Now, this all comes as one South Bay city is stepping up enforcement of COVID regulations. The city of Chula Vista says it will no longer take an educational first approach in talking with violators of the state's guidelines. They say businesses could see a cease and desist letter at their door as soon as their first violation. Local leaders say businesses have had more than enough time to comply, and businesses that have not done so are likely doing so willfully. And that's, of course, as opposed to simply not knowing. So we see this constant pushback where on one side businesses have filed a class action lawsuit saying they have already lost so much and don't want to have to lose more in the process. They're asking that a court allow them to reopen and to declare Governor Newsom's plan and the county's enforcement of it unlawful. Whereas on the other side, we've got local governments that are saying we are now going to start really cracking down on this and placing those cease and desist letters on businesses' doors. So this is going to be a back and forth that we see. We, of course, will bring you updates on that court case as it comes.